give system notification of any status changes within trucking, we're going to come into shipment, and we have a covered shipment. It's been covered by a driver. And if we give the system a notification of status changes, meaning we want to dispatch the driver, we want to let the system know that the driver has been loaded, we want to give the system notification of any calls along the way, and finally we want to let the system know that the driver has delivered. To give the system a notification for those things, we're going to come into our shipment and we're going to click back on our trip flags. Okay. We're in trip leg screen, so we want to go and now we want to update this shipment, so we're going to click on update. And we'll come down here to where it says dispatch date and time, and then finally completed date and time. We want to let the system know that the driver has been dispatched. We've dispatched the driver. We're going to come here and we're going to enter in our date. Okay? And remember, we enter the dates in as 6 digits with no slashes or dashes. Okay? Or always enter in the slash key for today as a shortcut. Enter in the date. If you want to enter in the time the driver was dispatched, she was dispatched at 1 p.m. Okay. Scroll to the bottom and click on the Save button. We see that our status has changed to dispatched. Okay. Anytime you want to give status changes, you're going to come back into your Pro number and you're always going to come here to click on Update. When you have notification that the driver has loaded, you'll come back to the screen and the date enough to change the status on the load, but you can always go ahead and enter in the time as well. Okay. If the driver was loaded at 1:30, we'll save it. This change to loaded. When we want to update our check calls within Aljex, instead of going to update, we're going to click on our check call button that's here. Okay. Click on check calls. My date and my time are automatically stamped in. All I need to do is enter in the city, choose from a drop-down, and state from a list of canned statuses, or we can always enter in our own text over here on the right-hand side. So we'll say that our driver is on time, and click on Post Check Call. Anytime you want to add additional check calls, maybe it's the following day, you got another check call from the driver, you just click on your trip flags and click on check calls. Any call that you have done previously will be stamped in above, and you can go and you can enter in your next check call. So we'll say that he is in Texas. Maybe he's stuck in a little traffic. And check call. Finally, once you want to let the system know that the driver has delivered, again, click on your trip legs. We're going to update the shipment, and we're in our completed date and time. Okay, this is the 6th, and delivered at 3 p.m. And you can go and enter in if you have who signed for it. We'll say that Frank signed for it, and save. Okay. Status, as you see highlighted in green, is delivered. And that is how you give the system status changes. Thank you.